Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money online with minimal investment, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share how I made over $240 in less than an hour using Free Tools CS, completely free. And no, I don't have a course to sell you at the end of this video. Everything I'm about to show you is 100% free. If you're a beginner, you're going to want to pay attention to this one, because I'm about to break down what could be one of the easiest ways to make money online using some really powerful tools. So let's jump right into it. Now, the first tool we will be using is a platform called ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it, but most people don't realize you can actually use this software to make money online. ChatGPT has over 200 million monthly active users worldwide, and it's all free to sign up. So here's what you're going to do. Go to chat.openai.com and create a free account. You can sign up using your email or log in through Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard like this. Now, how does ChatGPT work? Essentially, you'll use something called prompts. A prompt is just a fancy way of saying an instruction you give to ChatGPT. The better your prompt, the better the response. For example, if you tell ChatGPT, "I write a carrot recipe without sugar," it will generate a detailed recipe for you in seconds. It's as easy as that. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to type in a prompt, "I write a step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube fast." I will hit enter and see boom. See, in a matter of seconds, ChatGPT generates a comprehensive, detailed guide on growing on YouTube. You can see how detailed the output is, right? This is the type of content that could be useful for creating digital products. But here's the kicker: some people actually sell these prompts for real money. They create highly detailed prompts that generate really good content, and they sell them on platforms like PromptBase. But you don't need to spend a dime. I have spent over $200 buying these types of prompts, but guess what? I am giving them to you for free. Stick with me, and I will share the exact prompts I use to get results just like these. Next up, we're going to take this content and turn it into a digital product. I have used this platform called Teachable for years, and it's made me a ton of money. In fact, I have made over $894,000 in total sales using Teachable. It's a platform where you can sell online courses, ebooks, and other digital products. Here is how it works. Head over to teachable.com and click on I Start for free. You will need to enter your full name, email, and password to create your account. Once you're signed up, you will have access to a simple dashboard where you can upload and sell your products. Now that we have some content, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online without creating your own product. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote someone else's product and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase. To find affiliate offers, head to affiliate networks like PartnerStack. They have tons of software products you can promote. For example, I found a tool that helps YouTube creators get more views, and they have an affiliate program. I signed up and already made over $500 with it. Another great program is the Audible affiliate program. Audible, an Amazon company, pays you $5 for every free audiobook that someone signs up for. It is super easy to promote because you don't need to convince anyone to spend money. You just promote the free trial, and you earn $5 every time someone signs up. Once you have got your content, you're going to want to make it look professional. I recommend using Canva or similar platforms to create visuals and graphs that make your product more engaging. For example, let's say I want to show a graph of YouTube earnings growth over the years. I will go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a graph showing how YouTube earnings have increased since 2018. In seconds, I have a professional-looking graph that I can add to my guide to make it more informative and appealing. Now that you have all the text and graphics ready, it's time to assemble everything into a PDF. Head to Google Docs, create a new document, and start copy-pasting everything that ChatGPT has generated for you. You can change fonts, colors, and formatting to make the document more attractive. Then, download the document as a PDF. This is the format we will be using to sell our digital product. Once you have your PDF ready, it's time to sell it. Go back to Teachable and create a new digital product. Upload your PDF, give it a name, and write a product description. You can also create an attractive ebook cover using Canva. Once your product is set up, set a price for it. I like to start at $9 for a simple guide, but you can experiment with different pricing based on your niche. After setting everything up, click Publish, and your product is live. If you don't want to use Teachable, another option is to use platforms like appdark.net. This platform allows you to upload your PDF and earn money every time someone downloads it. You won't earn as much as with Teachable, but it's an easy way to start monetizing your content. Simply sign up, upload your PDF, and you'll get a unique download link. Share this link, and every time someone downloads your PDF, you earn money. If you really want to scale things up, I recommend creating a community around your products. Platforms like school.com allow you to build an online community where you can add your digital products, create courses, and interact with your audience. You could create a community focused on a specific niche, like how to grow a YouTube channel or fitness tips. Charge a small monthly fee for access to your community, where you will add new guides, courses, and exclusive content each month. Now that you have your product and community set up, you need to drive traffic. This is where Pinterest comes in. Pinterest has over 800 million visitors per month, and it's a goldmine for driving traffic to your products. I recommend creating a Pinterest account related to your niche, like how to grow your YouTube channel or healthy living tips. Then, create pins promoting your products and direct traffic to your affiliate links or digital product pages. So there you have it. See the complete step-by-step formula for how I made over $240 in less than an hour using free tools. To recap, 1. Use ChatGPT to generate detailed guides and content. 2. Turn that content into a digital product and sell it on Teachable. 3. Promote affiliate products and use platforms like Audible for easy commissions. 4. Use tools like Canva to make your guides look professional. 5. Build a community to grow your business even more. 6. Drive traffic through Pinterest to make your offers seen by more people. If you follow this process, you can start making money online, and it doesn't cost a penny to get started. The key is to keep testing, learning, and refining your strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.